we present to you the Comfort Sail Pack, the most complete model in our range. To make our Comfort Sail Pack, we assembled 76 different parts. This sail pack is the only one to have a side zipper on the port side, which is very practical when the sail is up. To hoist the mainsail, first you open the zipper, then you detach the upper clip at the front of the sail pack. You leave the other clips attached and fold the top of the bag inside the bag. This is how our customers use our Comfort Sail Pack. If you race, we have planned a special regatta piece. You have to first loosen the lazy jacks. Take out the flaps that are inside the bag and unfurl the sail pack under the boom. This configuration avoids disturbing the laminar flow at the bottom of the mainsail. The strengths of the Comfort model are reinforcements and PVC lining on the entire front part in order to avoid wear due to chafing, a separable zipper sewn on a strap protruding from the sail pack to facilitate the engagement of the zipper. The zipper is completely covered to protect it from UV rays, thus ensuring exceptional longevity. You can install our sail pack without removing the sail by sliding its luff in the boom rail. Our Comfort Sail Pack is the strongest, the most durable, the most practical, and it has no equal on the market.